Alright guys, Alien 2006 here. Today is November 3rd, 2011. I just downloaded a new batch of sun pictures. Here they are, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 10. Just doing a follow-up to my other videos just to show that these objects are there, they're hanging around, and they are definitely doing something with the sun. Maybe they're controlling the CMEs from reaching Earth, or somehow controlling them away from us. I don't know. Anyway, here's picture one. Let me move it to the center here. I am going to go ahead and open up my color adjuster. So here we go. Picture one. There is, let me bring this up. I know we have that issue. So the date is here. Let me zoom in a little bit to make sure you can see it. 11/3/2011. The timestamp is 17:46:30. And the first image here shows an object right up here. We'll go ahead and keep zooming in until we find it, and it's that same image again, like in my prior video. Let's go ahead and sharpen it a little and bring it up so you can see it. Again, that center, it's bright. You know, who knows what's going on. There it is. That's picture one. No, I'm not going to save it. Picture two. Here we go. Move it over to the center. Now there's a bright object here. There is also an object here. I'm going to bring this one up. Again, don't want the distortion from that. I showed you. Let me zoom in for the date. 11/3/2011, 17:36:30. And both of these objects are down here. Let's go to this one first. And definitely something there. I don't know what's going on. Let's see the sharpen it, and let's bring it out some. There it is. I say there's an object there. There's something solid there just because nothing else looks like that in this image. And now let's go down and see what happens. There's that one. We've seen that image before, and let's see. There's that bright center. Once we sharpen it and start bringing it up, looks pretty good. There we go, look at that. Contrast it up here. There we go. Anyway, so there's that. Let's put it back to normal. There you go. Alright. Number 3. This one's showing you the object right up here. There's nothing else around, so I'm not going to really shrink this one since the object's up here, but just want to note the stamp, the date on that. That is November 3rd, 2011. There you go. And let's start zooming. There it is. Pretty big object from what I can see. Excuse the voice. Here we go, and let's go ahead and sharpen it up some, and let's bring it out. There it is. Definitely something there. Let's zoom out so you can see that. The only thing I did was change color. There you go, the sharpness, the bright, all that. There it is. Interesting. Again, big object. They're still there, guys. I don't know what to tell you. There they are. Number 4. Bring it over here. Now this one is, the object is right here, and I'm going to go ahead and bring, there is another object right here that I'm going to show you, but let me bring this up. I think it's about right there. Let me zoom in so you can get the date, which is 11/3/2011, 17:16:30. Let's go to this first object right here and zoom in. Look, again, that shape, it's there, and look how far into the heliosphere it is. That's amazing. I'll try to sharpen that. What I want to do is see if I can take away some of the there it is, the heliosphere. I want to take away some of it, and you still see the object here. If I take some of that bright back off again, there it is. Let me see if I can there's an object. I don't know what that is. Let me reset it, but there's something there, and definitely brought it out. Now let's go to that end shot here. There it is. And let's see how... Okay, that's that object that was down at the bottom of the other picture, facing like this. It was doing this. So now it seems to have turned and moved up. There it is. Let's go ahead and sharpen, bring that level up. There's the object. Again, it's right at the edge. Alright, let's go ahead and move on. Number 5. The object is right up there. Let me just in case go ahead and move this up. There it is right here. It's amazing. Look at that. It's bright right there. Let's go ahead and start zooming. There it is. Right center. Sharpen it up a little bit. Let's go ahead and bring out some of that white. Some of that contrast. There it is. There's the object. Definitely seems like it's got a shape. It's got definitely a shape here with an outline. So reflecting light like in the other pictures I've shown. Okay, we're going to move on to the next one. Here we go. Now this one right here, why did I put this one? Because it's got the object over here. That was up here. That was first down here. Anyways, this one's 1646, 11.3. Let me go ahead and bring it up because I know the distortion. And yes, I'm going to move it over here to the center and start zooming. There it is. This time it seems to be leaving more of a pronounced area here, like that seems longer as maybe the movement. Is it morphing some way? I don't know. That's an interesting shot. Alright. Let's go to, I believe that was 6. Let's go to 7. This one has 2 objects here. Nothing else that I could see. And again, this is taken 11/3, 2011, 16/16/30. And let's start zooming. 2 objects really close by here. There's that shape. There is definitely that shape, and this shape, it's definitely got something disturbing the heliosphere around it. And again, look how close it is to the sun. That is tremendous. And this one, look how far it is going away from the heliosphere there. Very interesting. Let's see if we can bring it out a little bit. We'll try it. There we go. See that bright? Just keeps brightening up even more. Yeah. And I'm just showing you guys continuously that these objects are still there. They're surrounding the sun, and they may be manipulating it. There we go. There's another one. Let's go ahead and bring it up. Let me zoom into the date. It's 11/3. This one's 1556. There's the object. Let's go ahead and zoom. And again, the proximity to the sun is fairly close. I mean, the heliosphere is coming all the way out here, and it's already all the way there. Let's see. Sharpening and bringing out a little more light. That center piece right there, reflecting that light, as you can see, yellow, yellow. And again, the shape, there's a shape definitely there. Okay. Go ahead and zoom out. And there you go. That was number 8. Let's move on to number 9. Okay, I'm going to move it over. Now this one, again, the object is going to be shown right up here. So I'm not going to shrink it up. The date right here, 11/3, 14/26/30. Let's just go ahead and start zooming, and I can show you right up here. And there's that shape again. that's definitely around. And again, look how close it is to the sun. There we go. Bring it out. Contrast down. A little exposure. And there's the object. It's definitely there. Let me reset it so you can see. It's not me. I didn't do anything. There it is. That's number 9. And I have one more to show you. And this one I'm showing you because this one is really deep in the heliosphere. And let's see if you could spot it. It's actually, you can see that bright dot right there. Now, I show you logo maybe back there. So let me bring this up because this one is very cool. So there it is, what I see. The image was 11/3/2011, 6:30. And let me start zooming so you could see that something is distorting and moving through here. You could see here it's distorting. It's distorting all around it. There's that bright yellow, which to me is reflecting the light from here, which is yellow. And let's go ahead and start playing with it and see what we get. See if we can sharpen it some. It's very pixelated, but there we go. You see the pixelation is at least a little smaller. Let's go ahead and play with these levels and sharpen it, or bring it up a little bit to bring it out. Let's go ahead and move this contrast down here so you can kind of see that I'm bringing the heliosphere down, but the object is still there, so that's definitely not heliosphere matter. If I even take it a little further out, you see it's there. There's definitely an object. So now if I even bring up the brightness some, you can see there's an object. And let's go ahead and get some more exposure to it. There it is. There's an object. Let's go ahead and bring it down. Seems pretty darn bright to me. Anyway, when I take the white level back and bring the black level in, see, look at that. The object is there. There's definitely something there, guys. Alright, let me reset it, and there's the way it looks. So, okay. And that's it. Alien 2006. Have a great day. And as always, be good humans. Thanks for watching, guys. I do appreciate it.